To be successful in small business, you need a business plan, right? We have all heard of the stories about writing business plans. Business plans is about creating a plan or roadmap for your business. In this video, we are showing small business planning tips for beginners. First 3 questions that your plan should answer. Number 1, what is your realistic vision for the company? What will it look like in terms of revenues, markets, or regions? Serve your primary products and services within a manageable time frame, say 1 to 3 years. Number 2, what is your point of differentiation or what makes you unique? And number 3 is what you measure to know what you're doing is working. You must have a plan for many different areas of starting a small business. How are you going to fund the startup fees? How do you expect to sell your product and services? How do you expect to pay for your employees? How are you going to promote your company effectively? Most important, and what most business owners don't think about, is where you want your business to be in 5, 10, and 20 years. Depending on the type of business you have, check on the state law to see if you are required to get a license. This should be the first thing you will need to accomplish. For example, if you're opening your own daycare center and you need to have a daycare license before you even start, this also leaves the parents with a good impression, knowing you took the time to get your license. Moreover, it shows responsibility. Use of the internet. With modern technology and the internet in vogue, it becomes simpler for entrepreneurs to make quick surveys at the click of a mouse. Internet provides accurate and up-to-date information and statistics of growth. Also, the history of the reason for the past success can be accelerated, and some of this information can be used to prepare one's own plan. The funding of the business is the next obstacle for strategic implementation. The entrepreneurs can approach the state grants as well as investors who are ready to take the risk with them. Develop strategic partnerships, alliances, and networks. Successful business owners join up processes between their companies and those of their customers in order to build an interdependent network of relationships that deliver greater returns to everyone. When you work with and through others, we add value to what is on offer. This continuum of service and product delivery expands the reach of the value-based business and the customer. Now it is your time to write a detailed business plan for your small business. Also, ask your doubt in the comment box. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thanks for watching this video.